Welcome everyone, my name is Rambabu. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an updates from this channel. Thank you. Without delay we start the session. In this session, I will show you how to install Ansible on AWS Ubuntu server step by step. These are all steps. How to install Ansible on AWS Ubuntu instance. Open AWS console, create Ubuntu instance, access Ubuntu server using putty, update the server using apt-get update, add the PKA repository and update the server and install Ansible using these commands. Okay, let's start. First, open the AWS management console. AWS management console. This is my AWS management console. There is no instance not available. Okay, first we launch the instance. I am using free type and Ubuntu server 20.04 LTS. Yeah, T2 micro free, it's free. And I'm subnetting is my one subnetting default VPC and one subnetting. Alright. Okay. Tags. No tags. So, yes, only 22 put you only SSH will be enabled. And preview and launch. This is my key RAM key new. This is my key pay. To access this AWS instance using this key pair only. Yes. Stacking. Yes. Save. This is Ansible server. Okay, this is the public IP and this is private IP. Take public IP address and accessing this instance in local machine using putty. First here and go to SSH authentication. The PK file is needed. Yeah, this one, my PK file. Open that one. Yes. Default username is Ubuntu. I can change the font settings here. Stay. Yes. Increase the font setting. And yeah, okay. I open Network console, create a Ubuntu instance, and access the Ubuntu server using putty, and just update that one first. Sudo git update next sudo apt add repository ppe ansible plus enter. That update. Okay, done. Install Ansible. Yes. Just 1 minute to complete. Yeah. Next, we will check it. Ansible is installed or not. Ansible version. Check it. Yes, it is installed. Okay, first I will check ping response using Ad-Hoc command. Ansible localhost host -m ping. Yes, it is successfully installed, and ping response also getting the ping response also. Okay, next